don't see a mail truck. No mail truck. Do you see the mail truck? Where? Yeah! There it is! Dora! The mail truck!
Special delivery! Package for Boots the monkey!
Ooh, my fire truck! My super-duper fire truck! It came! Where's my fire truck? Uh-oh. Look, Boots. There's a big hole in the bottom of the box. The fire truck must have fallen out of the hole.
Your toy isn't in here, Boots. I'm so sorry. Your toy must have fallen off my truck somewhere. It could be anywhere.
Dora, we have to find my fire truck! It's lost! It's okay, Boots. We'll find it, but we don't know where it is. It's lost. Let's stop and think. Who do we ask for help when we don't know which way to go? Map. Right. Let's check the map to find out where the fire truck is. See map. See map.
If there's a place you gotta go, I'm the one you need to know. I'm the map. I'm the map. I'm the map. If there's a place you gotta get, I can get you there, I bet. I'm the map. 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 Oh boy! Boots really wants to find his fire truck. Quick, do you see Boots' fire truck?